Klipsch soundbar. That should be enough to convince you. Hey, how's it going, guys? Justin here from Walts, and today we're going to be taking a look at a Klipsch soundbar, which I'm actually really excited to do because we haven't looked at one of these since the Bar 48. So Cinema 800, it's got a ton of cool features, and let's get right into it. So this is going to be a 3.1 Dolby Atmos soundbar. That's right, Dolby Atmos. A lot of you movie nerds out there really want the Dolby Atmos in your soundbars, and it's hard to find that feature in all of them. Also, the reason it's the Cinema 800 is because it's 800 watts. Why is it 800 watts? Well, it's because it comes with an insane 10-inch subwoofer. So, in my opinion, getting a soundbar and a 10-inch subwoofer at this price point couldn't be better. Now, as far as the soundbar goes, what's inside of it? Well, you're going to get 3 soft dome tweeters and 4 high output oval fiber cone woofers. Now, something that Klipsch lives by with their speaker line is their horn-loaded nature, and this is really going to help listening to music specifically, but it also just adds to the build quality of the product, which, speaking of, build quality is nice. You can knock on it, feel the wood, it feels nice, and having that full wood subwoofer looks cool too. As far as the dimensions goes, on the soundbar, it's going to be 48 inches wide, 2.8 inches high, and 3.4 inches deep. So it is long, but it's fairly thin and not as deep as some of the other soundbars. And then you come over to the subwoofer, which is going to be 14.3 inches wide, 18.5 inches height, and 14.5 inches depth. Let's talk connections. Something that surprised me about this soundbar, it actually does have 3 different HDMI connections, one of those being eARC, and then the other 2 just being the standard HDMIs. If you're not going to use that, it's okay. It does have optical audio, and along with a 3.5mm audio jack, and Bluetooth, as you would expect from most high-end soundbars. Now, it does actually include wall brackets if you did plan on mounting this on the wall. If you're going to mount it on the wall, I would recommend, looking at maybe getting a TV soundbar mount first that goes on the back of your TV that holds the soundbar up, because usually those look pretty clean, and it is a little bit more money, but if you're willing to make it look a little cleaner, I would recommend going down that route. If not, don't freak out, it does have the wall mounts. Oh, and if you guys are enjoying the video, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help me out. So in the box, you're going to get that remote that comes with some AA batteries, along with a 1.5 meter HDMI cable. Now, if you stuck around for the channel, you know how I feel about HDMI cables. I would take a look at our most recent AudioQuest video. AudioQuest is a cable brand that makes a ton of high quality cables that can really help boost that experience, and make sure you don't lose anything from the source to the soundbar. And speaking of source to soundbar, it does have 8K pass-through, HD CP 2.3 8K HDR video pass-through, in case you wanted to know. Now, this one specifically does come with the option to upgrade to a 5.1 if you get those rear speakers. They're sold separately, or you could just buy it all together, and I think that's an awesome feature to have for a high quality soundbar. Now, as far as the remote goes, it does have LEDs that light up with motion detection. Pretty cool if you lost it in the couch, or it's on the table and you can't see it at night. Now, after unboxing it and listening to this soundbar, I could definitely say that 10-inch subwoofer makes quite a difference. Me personally, I'm really big into listening to music, specifically hip-hop music, which has a lot of bass. So, I was very pleased with the audio that came out of this soundbar, and I did play some other genres and they sound just as good. So if you may have had any, worries that it wouldn't sound good with some heavy bass, don't worry, that 10-inch subwoofer, it definitely goes to work. And I think we covered just about everything on this soundbar, and if you guys have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Other than that, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. That's going to be all for this one, and if you guys haven't already, check out some of our other cool videos on products like these. If you guys are interested in getting the best deal on this product, email YouTube@Walts. And if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future videos or deals.